In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning bone rewards by digging and then woofing to get those rewards. So pay close attention. We're going to do this step by step. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. First, let's go ahead and go to the woofing area. I will go to the digging area, but I want to go to the woofing area because I want to go ahead and match my pairing. So the first thing I'm going to do is find a pairing before I can start earning these bone rewards. So the one I've already picked out will be the leash and the wrap Ethereum combination. I clicked on there and I'm going to click on add liquidity. Now here I've got leash and Ethereum already together, but make sure they both match in terms of the value. So this has to match this. Leash has to match Ethereum. So this amount of leash has to match this amount of Ethereum. So I'm going to go ahead and click on supply. And this is exactly what's going to happen. You will receive this type of combination. Confirm supply. Then I'll look on my phone and they're basically charging me the fees for this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on pay. Pay combination. So this is what's happening now. Oh, forgot to show you this. But basically what's happening is, I'll show you right on my phone. It's basically going ahead and starting to charge me of the fees. So that's a pending combination right there. So I'll make sure this is up here already. And here is my Ethereum. And I'll show you right there. So right now, that's my Ethereum that I was just charged for that combination. So now it seems like that has been completed. So I will go back to that pairing that you just saw. And here is the bone, or the leaf and combination. The next thing I want to go ahead and do is add a deposit. So I'm going to add the deposit there. Click on deposit. Once again, back to my phone. Confirm the fees once again. Fees is about $20 for that one. $20 for fees for that one. So yes, there is a fee for actually setting up your pairing by adding liquidity. There's a fee by adding a deposit as well. And so those two things you do have to consider when you're doing this combination. What I like to try to do is just make sure I already have Ethereum already set up for fees. So I have a budget for fees already before you even do this right now. So the next thing we're doing now is making sure the pending is going to go through. The transaction is going to go through, which I believe it will. And we'll go ahead and start earning bone rewards. Very, very exciting time. Let me bring up my phone up again. So I have $111 in Ethereum still left after those transactions. So let me go ahead and do this. See, that fee here wasn't that bad. It was $12 fee. That wasn't that bad doing the first transaction. Wasn't that bad at all. So, and then while this is going ahead and pending, what I like to try to do is look at some other ones as well. So here I've got, look at some other potential ones that I may want to go ahead and do. But this one here, I'm the one I'm really concentrating right now. So sometimes it takes a little bit extra minutes to make sure the pending goes through. So be patient. Sometimes, like I say, I look over some extra ones. If I want to go through some other ones, some future ones, I'll be like, okay, I may want to get Shiba bone, or I want to have the combination of wrap Ethereum and USDT. So I'll look at some other future ones that I may want to do. But for the most part, I really just kind of pay attention to the ones I'm looking at right now. So, and you're probably wondering what this is. These are previous rewards that we earned before, if you do not know this already. So these are some rewards I can go ahead and claim, but I'm waiting to claim these rewards because it will be fees involved in those as well. So, and then you also have this part here. This is the unwoofable area there. Those are rewards that I also can claim as well. Okay, so now look at this. So now the leash and wrap Ethereum combination has been set. And now we're starting on bone rewards as we speak, as you see here right now. You see that number will continue growing each and every single day until we wolf this out. Now, if we can actually claim those rewards right now. So if I want to claim this, all I have to do is click on there and look at my phone and see, let's see here. It will be $40 to claim those rewards. Now, I'm not in no shape and fashion looking to claim those rewards all $40. So what I'll do is make sure, wait for this to grow more. I'll wait till this to grow even more effectively, and I can start claiming those. Now, these are previous pairings that I've had before, but I'm still waiting for those to, pretty much get much in value before I start claiming those rewards as well. And how you claim them, just click on Woof, you confirm on your phone, and you can go ahead and grab that out. But what I usually try to do is transactions between 1 a.m. and about 7 to 8 a.m. to keep the fees lower. So that's how you dig in Woof, by providing liquidity. You had to add a deposit in there, and then you can start earning those rewards, and you see that's being collected as we speak. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below to be access more information that this channel provides. And if you have any questions or comments, just put them down there in the comment line. I would love to go back and read them and answer your questions as well. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video.